Here's another neat little trick if we want to get text indented in a little bit. Notice how right now our division stands alone. If we look, kind of almost have to go to preview mode every time now. With our green one, let's say we want to move the text down a little bit within the division. Not only can we use padding or the margin, but we could also use border a little bit. And this is a little bit more of a cheating method, but it still works. We can use the border to move it in. So right now I'm going to go ahead here. I'm going to say our border for the top. And again, you have all the options, top, left, right, and bottom for your border. I'm going to go ahead and preset it to 50 pixels. I'm going to change its color so we can see it, the fuchsia. And we're going to, we can do inset or outset depending. Let's try outset. Let's try outset. Because I think that'll just move it down naturally. Yep. Move it down separate from the text itself. So you can see how it stands out by itself. If we wanted it to blend in, all we have to do is go in and say, okay, instead of being fuchsia, we want you to be green. And that in turn blends it together, makes it stand out a little bit more, and it will also, if I'm not mistaken, then keep its structure the way it looks. So if we were to do this to each element around our page, then as we're zooming in, the content won't shift around as much. So we could do this for each element on every side. We could. Let's go ahead and add it to the left. Or this border, we're going to add it to the right. We're going to make it just 10 pixels, green, and we'll do inset. Now in this one, we'll go over here, we'll do the border left. We'll make it 10 pixel, red, and we'll try inset as well. This in turn should begin to give us what we want, which is spread out a little bit. Did it work? A little bit. It looks like it made a darker red so that the two borders kind of contradicted each other a little bit. And 10 pixel isn't that big either. So definitely worked inside the green. The red, probably have to choose a different color red. Notice how it also, though, then as a result, bumped the yellow portion down because we did not fully calculate for where it was at 100% already. So we would need to recalculate then the widths of our divisions so that it showed up appropriately. But right there is how we can use borders to enhance the look of our page.